I don't know if you can hear that. Tons of birds. Anyway, race day. That's right. We're actually going to be racing here in Tulsa, not going up to Mocan. So yeah, it's kind of dewy out here. Sun's just got up. Good thing we don't start racing till about 11. And being living so close to the track, we don't have to get there as early. So anyway, you get the truck, get some gas for it, and get this day started. So anyway, here we go. Hopefully you can see me. I was reviewing my videos and stuff from last week's race up in Mocan. You know what? I never did a ending statement on that, you know? I think it was because we were ready to get out of there. Storms are coming. We had to deal with all that. So anyway, basically, in a nutshell, yeah, I had a bad light there right at the end on the 7th round. I must have blinked or something, but I didn't see the light as good as I thought I did. So anyway, that's what cost me the race right there. It was just a bad light in the 7th round. So I'm proud of myself what I did. I did get to the finals, which is really, really good. So who knows? We still got several races yet till the, you know, till the season's done. We might just get the thing actually in the winner's circle, so just not outside of it. Okay, today we are heading out to Tulsa. We haven't raced out there for what, pretty much all year. So it'll be our first race out there this year. So anyway, it's just a fun race. We're gonna see if we can continue where we left off in Mocan last weekend. So anyway, with that, let's get on down the road. It's a short trip, 20 minutes and we're there. So anyway, here we go. Yeah, Pops just informed me there's no Sonic stop between here and there. So sorry, no Sonic today for us. Sonic, if you're listening, you maybe want to put a stop there. Maybe not, maybe so. Anyway, off we go. Okay. Whew. Guess what? As a first time pass we had, let me turn down the radio up here. We had to have battery issues this morning. Put a backup battery in it for now. And we got the other one down there on the back there charging. Anyway, ran a good time here. As soon as I break my phone, I will show you what we ran. So anyway, stay, give me a few minutes. All right, there it is. I'm up here on the right. So as you can see, it ran 6:55. Quickest this year, I think beginning of the year, we ran at 59. So we picked it up by 4. So yeah, it's moving. So anyway, oh yeah, I had a better reaction than Randall. He's a good friend that I'm gonna buy these tires from. So anyway, he's gonna love that. Okay, all qualifying is done. Believe it or not, that's right, ran another 55. In fact, that was a 55.3 for the first pass, and it was a 55.7 for the second pass. So it's definitely hauling butt. So anyway, let's do some calculations on my splits and see, you know, why it stayed the same and all that good stuff. Anyway, car's doing great. Just get a little bit better on that light on that second pass and we'll be doing great. So anyway, on to elimination round. Here we come. Okay, you can see there, I'm on the left lane. I lost. This is the winner. Margin of victory. This is Robin Phelps, another good friend of mine. She had a 10 to my 36. Margin of victory was 0091. She even told me she was riding the brakes up there. She just about gave it back. But the end result is car ran its number, the driver's off on the tree, a 36 light and a 10. Hey, if she's running dead on her number, I'm not going to get there. So anyway, got to do better on that light. That's the key. So I'm still impressed. Top how well the car's doing. The light's not too bad, but we can get better. So here we go. Well, just got back here, getting the trailer back in the shop here. I can see the mirror or not. Anyway, yep, 2 and out, I'm gone. Oh well, no excuses. Just a bad light on my second round. I must have blinked or something. I had something in my eyelid or something like that, then I must have blinked and it took off, but should have known better. Anyway, it is what it is. Gonna get backed up here. Anyway, we got MoKan next weekend, CDRA final, so that's a couple of days of racing up there for sure. It's a Saturday, Sunday team type event. Pretty cool event. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get up there next weekend and have some good time. Anyway, if you do like what you see in the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And leave any comments if you have any comments about this video. Anyway, I do thank you for watching. Other than that, I'm out of here until the next one. See you then.